Hi everyone, I'm CPMaster888 and today I will teach you to recover 4-digit passcode of Oppo A3s without resetting the phone and without data loss. So let's begin. When we are trying to enter wrong password for multiple times, the counter will appear. So there's no way we can continue to guess the password here. So here's the trick. Power off the phone. By pressing the power button, slide it down. Then go to recovery mode by pressing the volume down button and the power button. When we're in recovery, press English, press wipe data. Now, we are seeing the please enter lock screen password. Here, we can guess the 4-digit passcode unlimited and no counter. First, try 1234 000 111 222 333 444 555 666 777 888 999 000. If it doesn't work, try the month and date that corresponds to 0101 01 01 01 01 02 01 03 01 04 01 05 01 06 01 07 01 08 01 09 01 10 01 11 01 1 2 01 1 3 01 1 4 01 1 5 01 1 6 01 1 7 01 1 8 01 1 9 01 2 0 1 2 1 1 2 2 0 1 2 3 1 2 4 1 2 5 1 2 6 1 2 2 7 1 2 8 1 2 9 1 3 1 3 1. So we guessed it right. So it is 0131. Don't wipe the data or format data. just go back and click wipe data and reboot the phone. Always remember the last passcode that worked to the phone. It's 0131. 0131. Try to remember. Okay. 0131. Okay. Success. Take the model. About phone. The model is A3s. A3s. Okay. Until next video, and please remember to subscribe to my channel for future videos of different tips and tricks from CVMaster 888. Bye everyone.